Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have a little bit of uncommon laptop here. This laptop is called a Vorago laptop. This one specific one is a Vorago Alpha N3060 model. The N3060 stands for a CPU model because they just grab the CPU model and they just slam it as a model for the laptop. And the bottom it says model Alpha N3060 and Vorago. And in this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys how to replace your keyboard for this laptop. If you have a keyboard that is not working or missing a key and you want to replace it or drop some water on top, this video is for you. It's really easy to do this process, and it doesn't require much more of tools. Alright, the tool number one you're going to be needing is an UFIXTEK screwdriver set or any screwdriver set. I like this one because they have an S2 class steel. You're going to grab a Phillips number one. You can get the Pro set that gives you opening tools and everything else, or you can grab a guitar pick. A metallic guitar pick will do the job just fine, and they're really suitable to opening covers. And once you power off the laptop, you want to flip it upside down and you want to remove two screws. That says KB for keyboard. There are two of them right over here. Remove these two screws. Don't worry about it. The screws are all the same size and height, so you can't mismatch them. You can actually mismatch them, I mean. Once you remove those two screws, you want to flip over the laptop and you want to open it up. Alright, once you open it up, you want to stick the guitar pick between the top cover and the bottom cover right there where the keyboard meets. And you just want to kind of rotate it like this, scoop it out. Do all around in the top portion. And bring it up a little bit from the middle. You want to pick it up so you can give curvature to the sides. And bring it up slowly and bring it towards the screen a little bit to release the bottom hooks. The next thing is to bring it upward. And the flex cable is right here. To remove the flex cable, all you need to do is to move these triggers upward about 1 millimeters, just like that, 1 or 2. And next is just grab the flex cable and pull it out. And that's how you just remove the keyboard. The model for this keyboard is pretty long number. I'm just going to dictate. It's MP-12R76LA-4305. LA means for Latin America because it has a keyboard for Spanish keyboard. Yours might say US for US keyboard. I'll try to get some link for these ones and I'll leave them in the video description. Alright, let's say you got the new keyboard in. You want to bring it in. You want to open up the lock in an open position. Slide it upward a little bit. Grab the flex cable and slide it between those two hooks right in the jack all the way in evenly. And then you just want to pull these two triggers towards the front end of the laptop. Just like that. And that way just clips them together. Bring the keyboard and the bottom side of the keyboard, hook it right underneath. Grab it from the middle. Squeeze the sides down. Grab it from the middle. You want to give a curvature. Squeeze the other side in. Make sure you hit a tiny click, 2 clicks, and then release and press the top part. And you should hear 1 or 2 clicks in there. And one of the last thing would be to just close it down, flip it upside down, and place the bottom 2 screws right on top. And that's how you upgrade your keyboard for your Vorago laptop. I hope you guys liked this video and it helped you guys out. If you did like the video, please click like and subscribe. I'll really appreciate it. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.